Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the 3 top ways that you can sell on Shopify and make a successful business. If you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. If you don't have an account on Shopify, guys, don't worry at all. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs right now are choosing Shopify to build their business. Now, obviously, you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator, and you don't need any coding experiences whatsoever. And that is one of the things that I absolutely love about Shopify, because they understand exactly what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. And you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. And obviously, the best thing in this is the fact that you can add more features and functionalities to your online store with their app extensions that are trusted from the Shopify partners. Now, obviously, guys, one of the major things which a lot of people make a mistake in is that they don't understand what strategy they need to develop. And that is the reason we're making all these videos, to ensure that you guys have the proper knowledge and the proper overview of exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. With Shopify, there are different methods that you can avail and sell. For example, you can sell online, you can sell in person, or you can combine both of them with the marketing tools and the social integrations and the sales channels that you would actually need to put your product in front of customers. And everything that you need to succeed is available, from managing the inventories and tracking the payments and viewing real-time business insights from a single dashboard. And the reason why I personally always vouch for Shopify is the fact that there are millions of merchants right now worldwide that are doing this at this precise moment in time. And what that means is that you have a lot of individuals that have a lot of different strategies. And if you can select the best thing from a different couple of people and put it together, you're going to develop yourself a successful business models. And obviously, with the global market as big as it is today, one of the things that really makes this an amazing opportunity in today's time and period is the fact that we are living in a place that everyone is a customer. Everyone that is coming to your social media, everyone that is present, anyone that's connected with the internet is a potential customer. You can sell products to them, and you have an endless source of product to get it. Back in the day, you would have to travel across continents and countries and get different products. Right now, you can do it from the comfort of your home, and you can break away from the 9 to 5 and actually get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And with Shopify, they actually support millions and millions of jobs, and there's a global economic activity of $444 billion. That is massive, guys. And obviously, you can get a piece of that cake, because that cake is huge. Even if you get crumbs, guys, it is still good to go. So the first method, which I personally feel is essential for you to understand, is this website, which is called Printful.com. Now, Printful.com is a place where you can create and sell custom products online and turn your ideas into premium products that leave a lasting impression. And obviously, there's no upfront fee, there's no minimum orders, and there are 439 premium products that you can select from, and over 1 million items are shipped every single month. And it's very simple, it's very easy. They sell with print on demand, meaning you can sell custom products globally and save time while they print and ship them for you on demand. You can create products for yourself, for your loved ones, for anyone or anyone else who appreciates thoughtful designs and premium quality. And obviously, you can use their warehouses and fulfillment services to store and sell your own products and promo material. They do all the hard work. What you need to focus on is your business. And that is what I love about Shopify, is the fact that you focus on one particular thing and you outsource all the other things. And obviously, if you can manage all these elements together, you're able to create something that is truly beautiful, something that's truly unique, something that's truly successful, something that's truly scalable. And when you combine all those elements together, you have a business for yourself where you can break away from the 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And obviously, with their premium products that you can customize and sell, this is one of the most unique websites. And all you need to do is sign up to it and start making amazing products and sell them online and sell them to your audience and put them on your Shopify. The second element over here is Alibaba.com. And one of the things that I love about Alibaba.com, and one of the things I want you guys to comprehend that this is not a typical e-commerce website. And this is a mistake which a lot of individuals tend to make, is that they focus on, they look at, and they think that this is an e-commerce website. It's not. It's not those typical websites where you will find a product, because normally if you look at AliExpress, if you look at eBay, and sometimes even Amazon, you have individuals that are selling products. And that is where the whole thing goes out the window, because you want to make sure that you get a product as cheap as possible and you sell it as high as possible, and obviously have a huge profit margin. But if you have a middleman, in case of AliExpress or eBay, then obviously there is a percentage of profit that person is going to put before they sell it to you. So they're going to buy it at a certain price, they're going to add a profit on top of it and then sell it to you. And then what you're going to do is put another profit on top of that and sell it to a customer. So the price of the product starts increasing. But if you cut out the middleman and go directly to the source where that product is from and the manufacturer that's producing that particular product and get it from there, then you don't need to put that single profit. You can put a double profit. If you're making a 20% profit on AliExpress or eBay, you can make 40% profit by using Alibaba. That is how huge it is. And the other reason why this is the second top best way to make money on Shopify is the fact they've done all the research for you. Look at all the different top ranking suppliers, the top sales that you have over here for consumer electronics, and they've given the complete breakdown of exactly what you need to sell and how you need to sell it, and what products are being ranked and what is happening right now in the industry. So you don't need to go do secondary research. You don't need to go there and do primary research. All of these elements are taken care of, and all you need to do is just click over here where it says top ranked suppliers, and what's going to happen is it's going to open on the second page, and you can see the top ranking suppliers that are going to be available that are supplying amazing products that are ready to ship for you guys. Now obviously you got to make sure that you focus on, you get the product that your audience wants. That really depends at the end of the day what kind of audience you got. If you look at top sales, you can look at the different elements over here that are selling, that people are buying, the transactions that are taking place, and you can select from these suppliers. You can communicate with them, you can speak to them, you can talk to them, you can manage your business with them, you can start a partnership with them, and obviously develop a long-term relationship with them. The third method, guys, I'm going to talk about is very unique. It's a combination of two methods. Basically, it's a combination of Printful.com where you have the products, and is a combination of YouTube. Now there's a lot of content developers, for example. So if you search for phone cases and we look at all these individuals that are talking about phone cases, they're talking about selling phone cases, they're talking about what they need to do, they're talking about how the thing system works, and obviously we can make use of this. This individual is talking about the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Once we click on it, we can see that this person has 2,940 subscribers, 141,000 views on this particular video. They're talking about the iPhone 13 Pro Max case. Now we want to make sure that we can support this content creator, and obviously to do that, all you need to do is go to her page. Once you go to her page, once you land on her channel, all you need to do is go to the about section, and once you do that, click on view email address and drop her an email. She has 490,000 views, and you can select hundreds of different customers, and you can speak to them and tell them that, listen, I have a Shopify business, I have different products that were made on Printful.com. You don't need to invest anything, you don't need to do anything. We will send you the products, and obviously just use those products in your videos, and just put our link in the description below, and whenever someone buys that, we will split the profit between you and I for 50%, and you will make a profit by simply doing nothing. I will take care of everything that needs to be done. And obviously that is the three top methods that you can use to make money using Shopify. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to support you, to assist you, and to guide you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel. And if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.